Oh, wow. Welcome to Module 4 of the Blogpreneur Millionaire Blueprint. And on this Module 4, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own personal blog in a minute without any technical skill. It is a mirage over time that has been sold that it takes a high level of technicality to own a blog online. But with the advent of AI and with the level we have reached right now, in this course, I'm going to be showing you how to create your blog in minutes with zero tech skills. How to create a blog in 15 minutes for free with zero technical skills. Most popular free blog creation sites are 1. WordPress, like we said in Module 3, Blogger.com. Example is Linda Nkeji and others who are using Blogger.com. BuyMeACoffee.com, really getting huge. So many people have gotten in there. Substack.com, we have David Hondein, who is doing exploits in that Substack platform. Now, how to create a blog on www.blogger.com. First, you go to Blogger. Now, navigate to blogger.com using your web browser. Click on the Create Your Blog button to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. A Google account means your email, So create a new blog. Once signed in, click on the Create New Blog. Choose a name. Enter a title of your blog. Enter a title for your blog in the title field. Set the URL address. Choose your blog's address URL, which will end in the blogspot.com. Select a theme. Pick a theme that suits your style from the available options. Then create blog. Click on the create blog to finalize the setup. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is you go to number 2, how to create a blog on buymeacoffee.com. Sign up just like you did in the first one. Go to buymeacoffee.com, sign up for an account. In the dashboard, navigate to your dashboard and locate the post menu on the left. Write a post. Click on the Write a Post button to start creating your blog post. After that, what do? You add content. Add a headline and description for your post. You can also include articles, audios, pictures using the fully customizable post editor. Visibility options. Decide who can see your post. Is it public, supporters only, or members only? Publishing options. Choose to publish the post immediately. Schedule it for a later time or save it as a draft for future edit. Notify followers. Once you have done this, notify followers. You have the opinion to email the post to all your followers. Share your post. After uploading, consider sharing your post on social media platforms to increase its reach and visibility. Practical on how to create a blogging profile. We're going to be doing practical on how to create a blogging profile in the next module. As we proceed in this course, I'm going to be doing some practical with you on how to create your own blogging profile. Thank you.